Welcome to Learning and Manual Testing. Today we are going to learn about the other levels of testing. So as of now we have covered unit testing, integration testing, system integration testing, alpha testing, and UAT testing and end-to-end testing. So today we are going to learn about the most important topic is smoke and sanity testing. So many people think that yes, smoke and sanity are same only, but still I can agree smoke and sanity is same, but there is a slight difference between smoke and sanity. So let me elaborate what is the difference between smoke and sanity. So let's take when we bought a cycle, right, bicycle. So obvious I can feel big difficult whenever I'm riding at the in day one, but when we compare to day one and day two, I feel bit comfort in day two. And when we compare to day two and day 10, I feel better comfort when we're dealing with day 10. So when you compare to day 10 and day 100, obvious, I will always better comfort in day 100 only. So like that, but the cycle is same only, right? So which is nothing, but whenever the application is launching at the initial stages, like that in 2013 or 14 or 12, right? WhatsApp will launch at those stages. That the WhatsApp performance is quite low, but right now the WhatsApp performance is quite high, and it contains n number of updates. So whenever the application launching in initial stages, and that means in 2012 or 13 or 14, it have n number of problems. But when those problems has been removed, whenever it contains, it moved to n number of phases, n number of iterations, n number of checks, something like that, n number of updates, those has been removed and the performance has been improved. Obviously application is same only, WhatsApp only. So what about smoke and sanity? Smoke testing is nothing but checking the application whenever it launches the initial phases. Whenever the application is launched at the initial stages, I will do the smoke testing. So nothing but buying a cycle and riding cycle in day one is nothing but smoke testing. So whenever in day 100, whenever I introduced or whenever I added a carrier, we know that carrier is not, but we keep it in the backside where we can keep our school boxes or bags, rice bags or dal, something like we'll keep all those things, right? Whenever I added a carrier to my bicycle, it doesn't create any problem to my front tire. It doesn't create any problem to my handle. It doesn't create any problem to my chain. It doesn't create any problem to me anything, right? Only I'm focusing what are the areas it has impacted. So whenever I introduce the carrier, I need to check whether the back bolt is working fine or not, back bolt is fitted fine or not, nothing but I'm only checking the added carrier component only, not on the other component, because other component are already checked and they are working fine. Then again I need to check. I need to focus only on the what are the component added component only. Only I need to focus at the carrier components only. So here testing the application at the initial phases whenever the application launches at the starting point. So whenever a new component added, I'm checking whether new component is working fine or not. Both are checking only. First thing is nothing but initial checks is nothing but smoke testing. Whenever new component added is nothing but sanity testing. Let me give in a diagrammatic approach how smoke and sanity will looks like. Okay. Let me copy here and paste it here for safe. Okay, good. You see here, so whenever the build one, where the initial phases, we will see a number of problems, right? I can't able to ride the cycle in day one only, so I can see n number of major problems. So this is not smoke testing. Whenever it go for n number of builds, n number of releases, here I need to focus only on the added components, whether the added components working fine or not. So here is nothing but sanity. Obvious, smoke or sanity, anything should work only. If my bicycle is not working fine, I won't take the product, right? And I won't take my cycle also. So whenever it is working as per my expectation, then I can take the product, or I can take my bicycle. If it is not, I can reject. I won't take that bicycle. So the aim of going for smoke and sanity is to check whether this application is as per our needs or not. If it is not, then direct I can reject it. So this is a diagrammatic approach. How can I show when we'll call it a smoke testing, when I can call it as a sanity testing? Okay. So I will write it descriptive definitions of smoke and sanity. Smoke. Checking the application at initial stages. Nothing but smoke. Sanity. Whenever a new component added, need to check whether the component is working or not. Nothing but sanity. Note, aim of going for smoke or sanity is to check whether the application is working fine or not. So at what stages we'll do smoke and sanity? This is my next question. Okay, smoke and sanity is nothing but, let's take an example. Developer develop a code and he send a mail to us saying that yes, in Excel sheet you should see 1 lakh of records, right? So initially what I need to check, I will check whether that Excel sheet will contain 1 lakh records or not. So example for smoke and sanity, developer send a mail to check 1 lakh of records in the server. So what is my initial checks? My initial check, sorry, verify 1 lakh of records are there or not, right? Not like that. I need to verify each and every record after 4 or 5 days or 10 days. I will tell, sorry developer, we have only 90,000 records or 99,919 records. Not like that, right? First I will check whether I could see 1 lakh of records or not. If I see 1 lakh of records, what I will do? If yes, send a mail to dev. Yes, smoke or sanity is done. But we smoke and sanity are initial phases. So we'll do at the staging whenever developer send a application to us. Initially, I will check whether the application working fine or not. If it is working fine or not, I will send a mail to developer. Yes, I could able to see the application properly, and I will start my unit or integration test, system testing, something like. So initial checks to accepting the product, to check the product. So this is nothing but smoke or sanity. So other things are nothing but the last one is a regression sim setting. We have what are things we have covered. Unit testing has been done, integration testing has been done, smoke and sanity has been done, system testing has been done, system integration testing has been done, UAT has been done, right? Alpha and test, alpha beta has been done, right? So last one is the regression. This will be regression will be dealing in next class. So it is quite complex, not complex. It will take much time. So that's it for the day. Thank you.